Welcome to KDSV Knowledge Studio. Get ready to level up your tech knowledge with easy-to-follow tutorials, smart tips, and powerful tools for success.
Welcome to KDSV Knowledge Studio. If you are using Money Manager EX application and wondering how to clearly understand your account balance in the single account panel window, this video is for you. I will walk you through step by step so you will never get confused about your balance again. Whether you are a beginner or just getting started with Money Manager EX, stay tuned. This will make your finance tracking much easier. Let's get started with. Open your Money Manager EX application. I'm using 1.91 and select any account. I'm going to select KD Bank accounts under the bank accounts. And if you look at here, we have a column called sequence number. SN stands for sequence number, but right now this particular grid is sorted by category descending and serial number descending. And in this case, if you look at your account balance here, the top balance correct right now the balance shows 21,740. This will not match with your actual account balance. Actual account balance shows 22,820. This is because it is not sorted how this transaction created. So for this reason, you have to sort it by descending order of sequence number. In this case, if you look at here, your account balance will match with the top level label as well. Let me explain how this sequence number is created. This sequence number is not stored in the database. Every time you visit or you click this particular account, this sequence number will be generated, or anytime if you add a new transaction or delete transaction, the sequence number will be regenerated based on the way how you have created them. Always, if you want to look at correct account balance, make sure that you are sorting descending order of sequence number, and you can refer your balance column. For example, I'm going to sort it with, if you look at here right now, the first level is sequence number, second level is category, because the last column I have sorted by sequence number. Let me go and sort with different category. Different column. If you want sort by any column, just come and click that column. It will be sorted by descending order over here, and this gets swapped. And if you go and click payee, the category becomes secondary sorting, and pay becomes the first sorting criteria. And let me go and click category. So after clicking category, if you look at the balance does not match with your account balance, because every time we calculate the balance between two records, this sequence, the way how these records are displayed in this particular grid is matter. So that's the reason I would recommend, if you're looking between balance between each and every rows, that time you must sort it by the sequence. Otherwise, you will end up looking at the wrong balance. So if you look at here, this grid shows all the transaction up to today. If you want to look at all the future transactions or all the scheduled transaction, you can click this particular square button. This will bring up all the scheduled transaction, whatever you have. And if you want to look at only for particular year or particular month, you can go and select, let's say I'm going to select current month, then all the transaction, including all the transaction which is created till now, or the transaction which is yet to be created, all the scheduled transaction, those things will be displayed over here. And also one thing you might be seeing over here, each time I toggle between the scheduled transaction button, records getting increased, and your sequence number, it is getting created automatically. Also, if you look at here we have a 19. If I go and disable and change any other view, let's say I'm taking this quarter, and if you go and look at that 19th record, it will be different record. So that means each and every time this particular grid is list of rows in this grid is getting changed, that time application is regenerating the sequence number based on your created date and timestamp. I hope everybody able to get the account balance correctly, and you might be knowing now how to sort the column in and look at the correct account balance. Thanks for watching KDSV Knowledge Studio. I hope this guide helped you understand account balance in the single account panel window of Money Manager EX. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Money Manager EX tips and the financial tutorials. Let's see you in next video. Thank you.